Okay, this is problem number 2 in section 6.2. It says use the given graph of y equals f of x to evaluate the following. Okay, you've got these basic 4 points over here, and these are the points for f of x. -4, -4, -1, 0, 1, 2, 2, 5. If you were to graph the inverse of these, your points would, this point would still be -4, -4. This point would become 0, -1. This point would become 2, 1. This point would become 5, 2. And it would be symmetric to that line. So based on that knowledge, what's here, and the knowledge of what the inverse is, answer these 4 little steps here. What these things are, how they got so out of whack, but they weren't that way initially, but they are now. Let's see if I can get them put back correctly. All right. The first thing is to find f of -4. So you go to where x is -4, read directly here. So when x is -4, y is -4 in the original function. So that answers -4. And then f of 2. Go to where the x is 2 and the y is 5. In the original function, the 0.25 is what you are using. Now we're dealing with the inverse. So instead of looking for x to be 0, look over here where your y is 0. That would be the x of the inverse, and then the x is the y. So instead of using the point as 1, 0 on the inverse, it's 0, -1. Then this one, f inverse of -4, of course, regardless, it looks like it's the same point. Technically, this is the x of the inverse and that's the y, and the answer would be -4 also. You're using that graph to evaluate it.